You're lounging on the couch, feet up, casually scrolling through YouTube. It's one of those lazy afternoons where nothing really grabs your attention. Then, a video pops up on the TV. Suddenly, a smooth, captivating voice starts speaking, and you pause. The voice, so engaging, so full of finesse, pulls you in without even trying. You sit up, intrigued, listening more closely. It's as if the voice is giving life to the video, making the content feel 10 times more interesting. You hit pause for a second and think to yourself, wait a minute. I could totally do that. Well, guess what? You absolutely can. Imagine this, you're chilling on your couch, scrolling through YouTube, when a video stops you dead in your tracks. It's not the visuals, it's the voice. It's captivating and smooth and somehow makes the whole thing 10 times more enjoyable. You're hooked. And now, you're thinking, if I could make money with my voice like that, life would be a whole lot sweeter. Well, guess what? You absolutely can, and today, I'm going to show you how. Hey, guys. Welcome to Online Money Magnet, the place where we teach you how to turn your voice into a money-making machine. If you're new here, don't forget to smash that like button, hit the subscribe bell, and share the love, because sharing is caring, right? Also, check out the description below for links to some awesome resources that we're going to mention throughout this video. Trust me, you're going to want to check them out. So, let's talk about making money with your voice. We're diving into the world of voiceovers, guys. And let me tell you, it's booming right now. With YouTube being the king of content, voiceovers have never been in higher demand. Think about it. Every single day, millions of videos are uploaded. And what do those videos need? That's right, an awesome voice that keeps viewers hooked. And that could be you. Whether you're narrating documentaries, giving life to animated characters, or lending your voice to promo videos, there's no shortage of opportunities to make money with your voice. Let me paint a picture for you. Once upon a time, YouTube was a wild west of content, grainy cat videos, sketchy audio, and questionable sound effects. But fast forward to today, and everyone's stepping up their game. High quality sound is a must. A good voiceover not only engages the audience but also adds that extra touch of professionalism. You don't need to sound like Morgan Freeman, though that wouldn't hurt, but you do need a voice that connects. Here's why voiceovers are so important. 1. Engagement. The right voice keeps viewers listening, even if the video is, just say, not the best thing ever. 2. Professionalism. A polished voiceover can take a video from meh to wow. 3. Accessibility. You'll be helping out people with visual impairments enjoy the content too. Step 1. Finding your voiceover niche. So, where do you begin? Step 1. Find your niche. What type of voiceover excites you the most? Do you enjoy narrating soothing stories, or are you better at voicing quirky characters? Maybe you're the kind of person who can make even a grocery list sound like an Oscar-worthy monologue. Start by asking yourself, what kind of work feels fun for me? Whether it's narrating documentaries, voicing characters for animations, or lending your voice to educational content, your niche is out there waiting for you to own it. Step 2. Building your skills. Okay, so you've found your niche, but how do you get good? This isn't just about having a nice voice, it's about learning how to use it. Let's dive into some pro tips. Practice, practice, practice. Read anything out loud, books, cereal boxes, even the terms and conditions we all skip. The more you practice, the better you'll get. Voiceover classes. Take an online class. There are tons of affordable workshops where you can learn tips and tricks from pros. Record and review. Record yourself, then listen back. Yeah, I know, hearing your own voice can be weird, but this is key to improving. Step 3. Setting up your home studio. You don't need a fancy recording studio that looks like it belongs to some rock star. You can set up a great space at home without breaking the bank. Here's what you'll need. 1. A good microphone. This is non-negotiable. You don't want to sound like you're recording in a wind tunnel. 2. Pop filter. It keeps those annoying pee sounds from popping all over your audio. 3. Soundproofing. Foam panels? Old blankets? Whatever works to reduce that echo. 4. Recording software. Audacity or Adobe Audition will do the trick. Step 4. The Holy Grail, your demo reel. Your demo reel is like your golden ticket. It shows off your vocal range and gets potential clients excited. Here's how to craft a reel that stands out. Keep it short, no need for an epic saga. 1 to 2 minutes max. Variety is key. Show you can do different styles, serious, fun, quirky, you name it. Highlight your strengths. If your narrating voice is what stands out, make it shine. Step 5. Marketing yourself as a voiceover artist. Once you've got your demo reel, it's time to get yourself out there. Let's talk marketing. 1. Create a website. Hostinger makes this super easy. Showcase your demo reel, portfolio, and contact info. 2. Social media. LinkedIn, Instagram, Twitter, let the world know you're open for business. 3. YouTube channel. Yup, you can use YouTube to promote your voiceover work too. Upload your demos and market yourself directly to potential clients. Step 6. Platforms to find work. Alright, you've got the voice, the setup, and the reel, now you need clients. Check out these platforms. Fiverr, perfect for beginners. Upwork, great for more specialized gigs. Voices.com and Voice123, these are specifically designed for voiceover artists like you. Step 7. Tools to take it to the next level. Now, let's talk about some game-changing tools that will make your life easier. ElevenLabs, this AI tool can help you modulate your voice and clean up the background noise. Pictory and InVideo, for video creation paired with your voiceovers. TubeMagic, optimize your YouTube videos to grow your channel. Content Studio and Metricool, social media and analytics tools to help promote your services. Final tips for success. Now, before we wrap things up, here are some golden tips for success in the voiceover world. 1. Stay consistent, keep practicing and marketing yourself. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your voiceover empire. 2. Keep learning, stay updated with new techniques, tools, and trends. The industry is always evolving. 3. Be patient, success takes time. Don't get discouraged by setbacks, they're part of the journey. Conclusion. So there you have it, guys. If you've ever wondered how to make money with your voice, now you know. There's a world of opportunity out there for you to explore. Grab your microphone, start practicing, and dive headfirst into the exciting world of voiceovers. Remember to check the description below for all the awesome resources we talked about. And hey, if this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who could use a little vocal inspiration. See you in the next one. Happy recording.